Hi guys, this is me, Roblepk, coming at you. I'm in a robe because I haven't been feeling the best today. I know I probably sound a little bit better, but I think I might have gotten food poisoning. I'm not really sure. Just trust me on this. It's whatever it was not fun. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys something. I gotta find my knife here. I think this is a thing I bought a while ago. I was looking at it for my woodworking stuff. I probably won't show you the box like last time because nobody wants to see an empty Amazon box. Well, it's not empty, but you know, it's an Amazon box. Here's it. So I'll pop that open. Okay, so it's a box within a box. I thought it would not be that, but okay. So I'm going to show you the box within the box. So I got this right here. I'm thinking it might be my set of woodworking chisels, but I don't know. The package is quite heavy. They said it was coming the 9th through the 13th. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. This is really cool. Holy moly, that thing's cool. Okay, I gotta show you this. I'm gonna take my camera off the stand. That right there is what it looks like. It's a huge box. And I think they're called PSI Woodworking tools, chisels and lathes and stuff. I gotta get it out of here. This thing bubble wrapped within. Oh, look at that! Oh, it comes in a literal bubble wrap package. Look at this. That's a bubble wrap package. I've never seen that before. Like, this is bubble wrap right here, but it's like. It's kind of like an inflatable mattress, but the thing's inside of it. Oh man, that's cool. Really cool. So okay, I'm gonna rip this thing open. So I think right here, I think I can do this. Let's see here. Let's see if I can. Oh, I see. Okay, so see right here. It's got a little tab that starts right on this end, and then you just pop that open. So it's literally like a bubble wrapped case inside a case. That's really cool. Never honestly seen this before. I might keep that case actually. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It says LCHSS8, and it is an 8-piece set of HSS Lathe chisels. I didn't say set at the end because that's redundant. Anyways, so I got a parting tool. Oh, okay, so the top it says parting tool. I got a spear scraper, so they call it a spear tool. A skew chisel, another skew chisel, one's 1 inch, one's 5/8 inch. A spindle gouge, a round nose scraper, a bowl gouge, that's basically for bowls, but I would imagine you could use it for other things too. And a roughing gouge, so like when you have a woodworking project that's got like all the ends, like cut like this and they're really square, if you want to chisel them out, you use a roughing gouge, and that actually makes it so that it roughs it out, but it also, in a way, smooths it out. So yeah. And then inside of here, okay guys, look at this. Look at that. Oh my god. They're beautiful. They're quite big. Wow. That's ridiculous a bit. I thought they'd be smaller than that, but that's a set right there. That's a set. Holy man, that's a set. This is something else. I don't know if they're sharp or not. I imagine they probably are. I don't really want to cut my finger on one. I think they're sharp. Yeah. Some tools, when they come, they come dulled. I don't know why. I'm thinking it's like the full experience. Well, yeah. I don't really want tools that come dulled, because I figure that throughout my woodworking abilities and woodworking times, I'm going to probably dull them at least once or twice if I use the product a good fair amount of time. So I want sharp tools so I can have them for a good fair amount of time. But yeah, these are amazing. I'll just show you the box again. I'll try not to. This is just amazing. Guys, this is amazing. Okay, so I'm going to, whoops, try not to break my woodworking lathe tools, but I'm going to leave a link in the description for these. It will be an Amazon link, because quite frankly, that's the only place I could actually find them. And I don't think there's other links to them. I think you can only get them on Amazon. You might be able to find them at some store or something like that, but I don't think so. Maybe they have an actual like woodworking shop somewhere, but I don't have a clue where that is. So I'll leave the Amazon link in the description. I'll put these back in the box for now, because I gotta get some wood so I can start this up. And I think from here on out, because I got my XLR cable for the other thing, I might be doing singing videos and woodworking lathe videos. And so that's gonna happen, and that'll be wonderful, like really wonderful. So I don't know why my camera's blurred, but hello. Come on, Mr. Camera. For some reason now my camera's blurred. Give me a second. Let's see if I can figure this out. It's still blurred. Anyways, okay, now it's back. Anyways, so with that said, I may I'll probably just end this video. So if you want to, you can like, comment, or subscribe. Suggestions are always appreciated, obviously, but just so you know, I always look at suggestions for like future videos and stuff like that, or you can comment on my videos or whatever. But yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed this because I think this is going to be really, really a nice thing. And I'm pretty sure that my chisels arrived pretty sharp, so I should just be able to start right on in. I still have to put together my wood lathe. I can put that video up in the top here, probably on that corner over there. So I'll just put a little blip on the top, and then you can click on it and it'll be like whoosh. But other than that, feel free to describe. Yes, feel free to describe. No, feel free to subscribe. And I will catch all you dudes and dudettes in the next video. Bye!